Are you keen on auto-investing in your SIP installments? Let's learn how you can create a new auto-invest mandate on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan website. Step 1. On the home page, you will see an option to create an auto-invest mandate. Click on New. On the auto registration page, your personal details will be auto-filled by default. Your registered bank with Mirae Asset Sharekhan will also be displayed. Enter the maximum amount that can be debited towards your SIP installment in a single day. If you are creating an auto-invest mandate for the first time, the default maximum amount will be 1 lakh rupees. If you already have an existing mandate, the default amount will be 10,000 rupees more than your previous mandate. Check your personal details, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Submit. On the summary page, confirm the registration details and click on Proceed. This will take you to the authentication page. You can also access this page through a link sent to your registered email ID. Authentication process. Enter the security code sent to your registered email ID and click Submit. Verify the mandate details using either a debit card or net banking. Accept the terms and conditions and click Submit. You will be redirected to your net banking website to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully created the ACH mandate. To check the ACH status, go to Reports under the Bank Mandate section. Once an update is received from BSE, the status will be reflected as approved.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.